I can't believe I'm sharing this on the internet, but trust me, this has made me so happy in this last 1 month or 3 weeks. Hi my beautiful sunflowers, welcome back to the channel. This is Ishita with 2 E's, and first of all, I am so sorry. I feel like I have never done these favorites wala videos. I don't know why my brain always concentrated on the fashion aspect for the channel, and I had so many good products that I've tried in the last few months, and मैं उनके लिए बस एक story डाल देती थी Instagram पे, and it never occurred to me that you should do a monthly favorite things. I don't know why. So apologies, but अब से we are getting to the favorite, like monthly favorites wala bandwagon. I have a lot of things from the last 4 months. I had so many items for the last 4 months that I've decided कि मैं एक और lockdown essentials type video कर दूँगी. अभी के लिए I have some really amazing items that have worked for me, and actually I'm planning to change my skincare routine. तो अभी तक जो मैं use कर रही थी मैं वो भी दिखा दूँगी. And yeah, if you're watching my face for the very first time, hit the red button to join the Sunflower Squad. Also, do you see something new? ये temporary situation है. I just got these sunflowers like 1-2 दिन पहले. I only have this vase, so I'm gonna keep it in this, but I have ordered another vase जिसमें ये sunflowers जाएंगे. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's just jump into the video because बहुत सारे items हैं. So the first favorite is this Braun face trimmer. I have a separate review. I'll link it. It is such a lifesaver. I do have a lot of fine hair, and I was shaving since years now. I'm so glad I made the switch. This retails for I think 2000. Discount पे 1500 तक का मिल सकता है. It's so damn convenient. You just have to twist it and it rotates with a light. Please check out my detailed review. This gives me such a close finish every day. मुझे जब भी लगता है कि I have to apply makeup and हल्की सी भी fuzz है, peach fuzz है, I just run it over my face and that's it. Shaving के लिए I still had to have a routine because कभी-कभी shave करने के बाद you kind of have to give your face some sort of rest. But this is specially built for sensitive skin, so ऐसी कोई redness नहीं होती है, कोई bumps नहीं होते हैं. It's amazing. Next favorite is my first ever Bath and Body Works product, which is a body mist. It's at the beach. Now, something about me, I either like very fruity and florally and citrusy smells, या फिर I straight away go to the coconut wali smells. This is something that I bought at the Bali airport 2 साल पहले. This is not available in India. I don't know why. This is my absolute favorite smell. It's a body mist from original source, and the main ingredients are coconut and shea butter. तो इसकी smell is so damn good. ये मैंने literally बचा के रखा है. I'm pretty sure it's expired by now. And when I smelled this, first of all, it was my first time at the Bath and Body Works store. So I did try all of their mist. I'm not a candle person, so I didn't even go in that section. Sale चल रही थी, so I got it for 720 rupees. I don't think so I'll ever buy it at full price because this literally doesn't stay for more than 1 to 2 hours. Like मुझे बार-बार इसको apply करना पड़ता है. Talking about the smell, this is like that nice coconutty beachy वाला smell. I don't know how to define fragrances. I'm a sucker for beach, and I love coconuts as well. मेरी पूरी फैमिली को लगता है कि ये पैराशूट ऑयल जैसा स्मेल करता है. Actually, the smell is very peculiar. Either you'll like it or you'll absolutely hate it. But it doesn't stay for more than 1.5 hours. I don't know ये सारे मिस्ट के साथ होता है या फिर ये वाला कोई स्पेशल है. I like it, but I still would prefer this over this. Next, let's touch a few fashion items as well. So my most favorite item has to be my new chunky sandals that I got from H&M. New तो नहीं, ये वो sandals और ये दोनों मैंने अपने last mall visit पे लिया था, which was probably in March. So these sandals I've been wearing a lot, and I got it offline from the store itself. Costed me around 2000 rupees, and I absolutely love it. मतलब मैं groceries लेने जा रही हूँ, मैं दूसरे घर जा रही हूँ, मैं कुछ भी करने घर से निकल रही हूँ, I'll be wearing these. I love them. These give me like a good 2-inch का support, and it's like a platform heel. So you are absolutely comfortable in these. They look so badass and cool. I'm gonna link them. मैंने ऐप में ढूंढ लिया था. They are still available, so yay. Since we are back at home, तो मैं घर में पूरे दिन सिर्फ lounge sets या night suit पहनती हूँ, and my current favorite has to be the Lulu and Sky Tropical night set. It's a cotton set. I think if you've seen my Lulu and Sky haul जो मैंने last year किया था, during winters, that's when I bought 2 sets, and I love this one. It's so comfortable. It's so damn comfortable. इसके shorts में elastic नहीं है, it's almost ruched, so it's very comfortable on my tummy as well. Even though मैं बहुत भर भर के खा रही होती हूँ, it doesn't affect my tummy. So yeah. Also, if you've seen my vaccination vlog, मैं पूरे vlog में सिर्फ वही पहन के घूम रही थी because for 2-3 days I didn't take a bath. And last item in the fashion category has to be these really cute quirky earrings. One of them has McDonald's fries and the other one has a pizza slice on it. So I follow a lot of jewelry brands, like kids who make their own jewelry and they are selling it on Instagram. So this is from studio.aaron करके कोई store है. They make really adorable earrings and bracelets and necklaces. So yeah, they also have avocado on toast या फिर egg on toast. They do a lot of these quirky things. So yeah, you can buy it from them. It costed me around 230 rupees, which I didn't mind to pay for it because these are absolutely, like, they don't even feel like you're wearing something. इतनी light है ये. And yeah, they came in this cute little packaging itself. So yeah, I like it. So now let's talk a bit about the skincare favorites. So number one is Vaughn's facial oil. It's their Brazil nut horse बोल नहीं पा रही हूँ. It's their Brazil nut rose hip face oil with vitamin E booster. This was suggested to me by my friend, internet friend. I'm gonna link her page as well. I think I bought it last year, but because I try so many products, somehow I didn't get the time to use it like regularly. But this time I used it, and I have to say I love using this particular facial oil on my face during night. This is my go-to night facial oil. What I do is मैं दिन में serum use करती हूँ because serums are much more lighter in consistency and facial oils are much more heavy duty, so I use them at night and top it off with a light gel based moisturizer. So for the first 2 months I used a Neutrogena Hydro Boost. I think I completed 3 bottles of it, tubs of it, and then I realized कि वो काफ़ी expensive है. Then my friend Vanya, जिसके साथ मैंने एक makeup video की थी, she also used a Pond's Super Light Gel that is also amazing and I think one of the most affordable moisturizers out there, so you can go for them. But I received the Plum Green Tea Night Gel. ये मैंने actually पुणे में खुद खरीद के भी use किया था and then I got the chance to work with them for their sale and they gifted me this. So I have tried and used it for a year at least. So currently I use this oil and this in combination. One thing, serum use करो या फिर facial oil use करो, you have to top it off with a hydrating moisturizer. Now this facial oil has vitamin E which works on the elasticity and you know sort of works on the sun damage that has been done to your skin, and also it works on the scar lightening part. And I have to say January की अगर मेरी videos देखोगे, my this part had a lot of breakouts and a lot of scars which have gone down. Like अब बहुत ही light brown से spots पड़े हुए हैं. So yeah, I did notice a huge difference जब मैंने इसको regularly use किया था in the scars that I had, but अब I feel it has stopped working. So I've ordered another serum specifically for working on the scars. So I have to try it out first, then I'll share it in maybe my next monthly favorites. But abhi I'm actually retiring this. That's why I wanted to specifically mention about this product. It's great. I like the brand itself as well. So if you are looking for a good facial oil, you can go for this one. I think before jumping into the next category, I have to talk about 3 sunscreen that I used in the first 5 months. So first one is the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock. ये मैं usually use करती जब मैं बाहर जा रही होती हूँ. I'm okay with it. I feel like ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही dry feel होता है मेरे फेस पे. एक बार मैंने इसे अपनी आँखों में डाल लिया था गलती से. Sunscreen is something जो मैं अपने आईज के पास से बहुत अच्छे से लगाने की कोशिश करती हूँ, and somehow it entered my eyes and it stung so badly. I literally had a watery eye for at least 30-40 minutes. So it's good, but I don't know, I'm not really very happy with it. I prefer the Episoft moisturizer plus sunscreen over it. This was suggested to me by my dermat because I just want to get checked my skin once because बहुत breakouts हो रहे थे and we figured out it's just my hormonal breakouts because of PCOD. This was pretty good. I have almost completed it. खत्म हो चुका है, खाली है. It's very greasy. मतलब मुझे लगता था इसकी finish wasn't matte, so that's what I didn't like about it. I mean, it's suggested by all the dermatologists, so it wouldn't give you any kind of rash या फिर कुछ भी reaction नहीं होगा. It's pretty good, but I don't like the greasy सा feeling. I don't know. And finally, after a lot of suggestions, I think I got my favorite sunscreen finally, which is the Requel one. It's their oxybenzone and OMC free sunscreen, SPF 50. with a broad spectrum. It covers up UVA, UVB protection, sunscreen, lotion, PA, blah blah blah. Limited edition pack मुझे ये मिल गया था. Now this one is slightly costlier. It's for 420 rupees for 50 grams. ये मैंने 2 weeks पहले ही order किया था and I've started using it and somehow the finish that I get with this is amazing. I love it. मतलब मैं इसको dot dot करके लगाती हूँ and it just gets blended and absorbed so quickly. There is no white cast. Neutrogena did give me a white cast but I was kind of okay with it. To say it is also expensive. I try कि मैं अपनी sunscreen 2 बार reapply करती हूँ दिन में if I'm not shooting, like if I don't have a lot of makeup on. If it's a editing day, I do apply it twice or thrice जैसे जैसे मुझे याद आता रहता है. So if I consider that this would be expensive, I have to talk about another sunscreen जो मैं Trivandrum में use करती थी. Like I used to wear that sunscreen to beaches. I even took that sunscreen to Bali. So that is from this brand called Joy. I don't know उसका SPF वगैरह मुझे कुछ भी याद नहीं. I'll try to find a link for it from Amazon and I'm gonna order it again to compare it with this. I think that was really cheap and मुझे उसकी matte finish अच्छी लगती थी. Like if I was happy with that sunscreen in a hot and humid place like Trivandrum, I think that is really good. So yeah, I'm gonna order it and compare it once. But अभी के लिए I really like this one. Now we have a very personal product that I can't believe I'm sharing this on the internet, but trust me, this has made me so happy in this last 1 month or 3 weeks. So a lot of people asked me in the Q&A that I'm planning to do this week, ki, how do you manage to be so happy in a long distance? So guys, this is the secret. So see, I'm gonna be very honest, I'm pretty okay with talking about sex, periods, everything with my friends and otherwise as well. So I was planning to get a vibrator since months now. I had it in my mind and somehow with the second wave I realized कि कुछ भी normal नहीं होने वाला इस साल भी and I was very frustrated. So I finally ordered it off Amazon and this is the packaging. So it's really nice and it's really कोई ऐसे local सा brand नहीं लग रहा था मुझे. इसकी packaging and you know सब कुछ अच्छा लगा था. So this is how it is. It's so cute. It also comes with a pouch like this and a USB cable to charge it. This is how it looks. It's a whole silicone body. I kind of feel awkward talking about it, but I have to talk about it. I mean, I remember मैंने इसे जिस दिन order किया था उसके 2 दिन बाद, मतलब when I started using it and all, and once I just posted a very random सा story and I got 2 DMs like, you are glowing, what is your skincare routine, please share it. And I was like, I will someday. I know talking about sex is a taboo. I know talking about masturbation is also a taboo. And a lot of people feel masturbation is not good. But I feel people say that because you watch a lot of porn. Porn is not good for your sexual life because you see a very fake version of it and then you expect that out of your real partners. That is not good for you. But this is amazing. If you are going to explore ki kya works for you and what doesn't. So eventually when you do it with your partner, you can guide them easily and it can be a fun experience for both of you. So yeah, that is all that I have to say on sex education session today. But I found 2-3 more vibrators from Amazon, but all of them were out of stock. So I went with this and I have to say this was the most prettiest and cutest. I don't know why I'm using these adjectives, but actually I'll explain. Most of the other vibrators which are categorized as women body massagers on Amazon, but let's be honest, we all know what this is. All of them are very plastic या फिर metal body के. मुझे उनको देख के बिल्कुल comfortable feel नहीं हो रहा था. This was actually silicone body. This is of the same material जिससे menstrual cups बनते हैं and I'm very comfortable with menstrual cup and my vagina. So yeah, this was the most comfortable option that I found. Talking about the features of this amazing product. So both the heads vibrate. There are up to 5 vibrations. I'm gonna turn it on. Please don't get scared. So yeah. This is the noise that it makes. It's after I got this, I did some more research and I found something as clitoris stimulator, which has a suction thing. Like this is like a just vibration sort of a thing जिसके दोनों heads vibrate and you can decide. There are up and down वाले जो arrows हैं उससे you can decide कि you want just the upper head to move or the lower head to move, because दोनों vibrate करेगा तो you won't be able to, you know, hold it properly. It's gonna be very tiring for your hand. There are also bullet vibrators for 200 rupees जिसमें सिर्फ एक setting आती है. I wouldn't suggest to go for that because bullets with one setting have a higher chance of not working for you. This has up to 5 settings and I feel the first 2 settings work for me. Talking about the other product that I found and I was so fascinated with, it's called Clitoris Stimulator. Just make suction point hota hai, which can work on your clit as well as your boobs. So yeah, that was interesting, but I don't know. I don't know if I want that. Abhi ke liye I'm really happy with my Care Smith Wave. जब ये मुझे पार्सल मिला था, I felt like it looks like a hair straightener का box, but yeah, it comes in the usual Amazon packaging. ऊपर सिर्फ एक sports massager लिखा हुआ था, I remember. Nothing was mentioned about this being a vibrator and all. Plus I have a job जिसमें सिर्फ parcels ही आते हैं हर दिन, तो कोई notice नहीं कर पाता है. Obviously इस वीडियो के बाद सबको पता चल जाएगा, जो भी मेरी वीडियोस देखता होगा, but it's okay. Fuck it. Since this is my first vibrator, I wasn't sure that it would work for me as well. So this was something that I bought for trial basis and I'm loving it. Plus it's so cute. I think when I say इसलिए खुशी खुशी ले लिया था because it was purple. It's quite trendy. And with this we've come to the end of this monthly favorite. Let me know what was your favorite item. Can you imagine अगर मुझे किसी ने idea नहीं दिया होता कि please start making monthly favorites, I think I wouldn't have actually shared about this. So yeah, thank you so much for suggesting me and thoda pushing me to do these kind of videos. I'm very dumb, but I will continue doing these now every month. And talking about the shout out of the videos, so the first shout out is for Diksha. She said she loves how I dance with every try on part. Well, that is me. I actually play a song and then do the try on part. So मैं इसलिए नाचती रहती हूँ हर try on part में. And the next one goes to Amukta. So I've recently joined Clubhouse and I think we were both in the same room. I've used Clubhouse for 2 weeks and I do have very specific opinions, but I think I'm gonna share more about it in the next video or maybe some vlog. Nice to meet you, Amukta. I loved your looks that you did on your page. I'm gonna link her ID for you guys if you wanna check it out. She's really creative and yeah. Thank you for leaving this sweet comment on my video, Amukta. If you want to be a part of this shout out of the videos, all you have to do is leave a comment and yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.